Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video we are going to cook a stingray with black beans. Guys, I cook this one with a lot of ginger kasi mas masarap siya pag madaming ginger and also spicy a bit. So just a little bit spicy, especially if you have a children that you want them to eat as well. So just very little of chili, because for me I put chili padi as well, or labuyo. And you know that ginger is already spicy by itself, but I add on some more of the labuyo. So just be mindful of who is going to eat when you are cooking. If ever your whole family they can eat with spicy, then I think should be okay. You can put a lot, but yeah, I think not all of the family members they like spicy food anyway. So you can just see how much you can put of chili. This one, guys, is yummy, and really, with the chili, the labuyo, that's all my ingredients: ginger, okra, chili, black beans. So yan, ito po, bali nag-init lang ako ng wok to start our cooking. I put 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I put my garlic, put my sibuyas, and of course the ginger. So tingnan nyo guys, madaming ginger ang nakalagay kasi mas masarap siyang kapag madaming ginger. So bali gisa-gisa lang. And then after gisa ng sangkot siya ng ingredients na yan, ilagay din natin yung, just wait for turn brown yung garlic, onions, and ginger. Then I add on my black beans, gisa-gasa din. Okra or lady's finger, I add in. Kasi madali lang lutuin naman to stingray. So that's why I put it later. Kumbaga yun ang panghuli. And of course, syempre yung chili natin. I put 1 tablespoon of light sauce. Bali, titimpla na natin to, and 1/4 cups of water para mag-simmer yung stingray. And yun nga, yung chili and small chili. Ayun. So we just need to cover this to simmer, continue simmer, and wait until this is cooked. So actually guys, you see I put so many water. Actually it's only 1/4 cups of water in total, and I cover it and wait until it's boiled and to cook. As you can see guys, there's no salt I put in because the black beans itself is already salty. It's fermented black beans and a lot of salt, and some more I put soy sauce. So yeah, I didn't put the salt anymore. So for you guys, if it's not enough, you can just sprinkle of or just a pinch of salt if you want to put. So here you go guys. Finish. That's all. That's it. It's ready for dinner. So guys, please, if you like this my video, give me a thumbs up and comment down below. And of course, you can share this.